Good afternoon, girls. Today I'll be taking up some more numerical examples on national income calculation. Last time I gave you some home assignment, but a few of you did it, not much. So some of the students requested me to take up some more classes on numerical examples, calculation of the national income by various methods. Today again I'll be taking up say calculation of national income by the three different methods. One example is, but the very first example I have taken up is say the data is mixed data. That means by seeing this data we can find out national income both by say income method as well as the expenditure method. The only thing is we have to remember the formula. We have to remember the formula, what are the items needed in the calculation of national income by the income method. And again, what are the requirements, what are the items needed to calculate national income by the expenditure method. By knowing the requirements, okay, we can calculate the national income. Okay, so we are given the say the question. So items are given and amount in rupees crores are also given. So private final consumption expenditure. So expenditure side we have just seen this one. This is about expenditure, and this is about expenditure, and this is also about expenditure, and this is about expenditure, and this is about expenditure, and then this is for both, and this is also for both export and import. Okay, these are the items okay required for the calculation of national income by the expenditure method. For the calculation of national income by the income method, okay, we are given here what are those: mixed income of the self-employed, then we are given the compensation of employees, then we are given the operating surplus. By knowing this we can calculate the say national income. But whatever the national income form, say maybe by the maybe by the income method, or maybe by the expenditure method, or maybe by the valuation method, whatever we are going to say produce the national income aggregates, it depends on the method itself. For example, for the national income calculation by the income method, we have to adopt the factor incomes only. Okay, factor incomes of say only in order to calculate net domestic product at factor cost. Okay, and for expenditure method also, from the given data, first of all we will try to calculate the by formula itself we will try to calculate the gross domestic product at market price. So GDP market price, it is the very first aggregate of the national income calculation by the expenditure method. And the national income calculation by the income method is the sum total of the factor income. We will get net domestic product at factor cost. Okay, so let me just write here the solution number A. That is the national income. National income by what? Income method. National income by income method. Okay, it will be given by, let us say, it will be given by say so we have three components. That is the what? The compensation of the employees. Plus then we find the mixed income of the self-employed. Let us say mixed income. Okay, mixed income. Then plus we have to have the operating surplus. Okay, for the corporation all. So operating surplus. It will give what? Net domestic product at factor cost. Net domestic product at factor cost. And we have to find out the national income. So net domestic product at the factor cost, we have to convert into net national product at factor cost. So in order to find out the net national product at factor cost, we have to adopt what? Net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad. By substituting these from the given data, we will easily find out the national income by the income method. The very first thing we have to watch again, we have to know calculation of national income by income method means the factor income. We have to always keep in our mind the factor income. Okay, the factor income. Once again, factor income. Factor income will be received in the form of the compensation of the employees. Factor income will be received in the form of the mixed income of the self-employed, and the factor income will be received in the form of the operating surplus. Okay, we have here these three. And plus net factor income from abroad. Okay, we get the national income or net national product at factor cost. Okay, so what is the compensation of the employees here? Compensation of the employees here is it 400? Yes, 400. Then plus mixed income of the self-employed, what is that? 500. Okay, this is 500. Then operating surplus. What is that? Operating surplus. Is it? Where is the operating surplus? Where is the operating surplus? Operating surplus. Operating surplus is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Operating surplus is 100. Then net factor income from abroad. Where is that? Say net factor income from abroad. What is that? This is 50. Is it 50 or minus 50? It is. There is no minus, so it is 50. Sometimes net factor income from abroad is negative. So in total, how much do you get? 400, 500, 900. This 1,000, 1,050. So national income or net national product at factor cost in here by income method is rupees what? 1,050 crores. Okay, once again I'll just tell you, it is very easy to calculate national income by the income method from a given data. The only thing is that we have to know what are the factor payments. Factor payments will be in the form of compensation to the employees, mixed income of the mixed income of the self-employed, then operating surplus, net domestic product factor cost, plus net factor income from abroad. We get the net national product at factor cost, that is national income. Yes, so we have done the say income method. Now let us see by the expenditure method. For expenditure method in general, akoina khangay expenditure method tadi akoina national income puthokpagi ji akoina khangba yabase expenditure thaba singse private final consumption expenditure mase akoina karina represent tawge haba kanda sine represent tawre. Next government consumption expenditure leverage government final consumption expenditure masina karina represent tawre akoina ji na represent tawre. Adu akoina mu yengdo se abatenda akoina government gi capital formation. I means investment. Investment akoina capital formation, gross domestic capital formation ar khana doini gross domestic capital formation je si akoina yes akoina karina sage har kanda I call gross domestic capital formation aduna. So say C plus G say C means consumption expenditure, private final consumption expenditure. G means government final consumption expenditure. And it presents investment. Investment is the gross domestic fixed capital formation. Shimaga gross domestic capital formation. Shimaga later. Then upon English change in stock head number. Change in stock. Then I'll just write change in stock. See Karina period have a kanda closing stock ka opening stock ka. And he say. And the closing stock minus opening stock to na change in stock video. Change in stock to ga sige gross domestic capital formation se masiki tension area koina I ta ga do. Okay, then plus apana like say net export anamuga lady ko aduna net export si tension area koina fangado se kaino sidai to koina fangado se kaino ha ba kanda gross domestic product at market price. Gross domestic product at market price ma fangani. Gross domestic product and market price pangrabani na sidagi national income on thogo durin aduna gross hi akodana kari gross akoina net tahange high tarbodi akoni do se gross ni lakari consumption of fixed capital akoina minus to hotai consumption of fixed capital. Okay, consumption of fixed capital minus torani. Then domestic se akoina kedoba domestic se akoina say net national untokai tarbodi we have to add up net factor income from abroad ko aduga market price akoina factor cost on throw kadurni market price factor cost on throw ka hai tar body apna to dusi ke doba apoi net indirect tax ka is there any here net indirect tax na taba atopa apoi kari kawi subsidies job rengo is there any subsidies here is there any subsidies no is it yaudi subsidy yaudra ke net indirect tax है मसी खत्म अपना पारनी अदुना net indirect tax अपना yes अपना plus तो गुदरा minus तो गुदरा high भी question हम ले सी minus तो रनी net indirect tax minus तो रखा we will get what we will get net national product at the factor cost सी मोर सिंजन बिरो अदुना सी कई कई तो रनी सी मोर टा अपना ले से करी where is that private final consumption expenditure 240 हम ले रहे then plus G मोटा government final consumption expenditure क्या ले रहे is it 150 हम ले रहे को then plus I इसे कितना complicated हो इसी I लिखे किन्हें सागर दिखाई दो gross domestic capital formation जो ले रहे नहीं को gross domestic capital fixed capital formation 600 ना त्रा 600 ले रहे नहीं को then plus तो दो इसे करी करी फिर ना plus तो दो रहे है बकांदा change in stock है change in stock को I just write here change in stock change in stock is पिक्या बकांदा closing stock minus करी opening stock न पिएगा opening stock का change in stock से closing stock का opening stock का सी minus और कांदा change stock पंगे change in stock तो का कोई gross domestic fixed capital formation जी का plus तो बकांदा कोई न फंगे तो रेशे मतलब I investment जी मतलब फंगे तो इन्हें तो ना सी किसी closing stock तो क्या तारे is it 60 का अदुगा opening stock ना 40 opening stock 40 ले रहे closing stock 60 ले रहे अन्य से महान स्माइना तो बोलो का सिमल लोरे then plus net export है देखो ने export minus import से net export हुए बनी अदुना 100 minus 50 इसमें net export ले रहे का then अदु मथंग दा consumption of fixed capital देखो ने करी ले रहे consumption of fixed capital करी ले रहे हाँ consumption of fixed capital क्या नो consumption of fixed capital is it 35 consumption of fixed capital से कोई ना 35 ला 25 ला इसमें पापा ये जिका consumption of fixed capital is 25 ये direct tax ला ये सी ले जाने सी चुमे 25 अदुन अपना सी minus 25 ले रहे निका then plus net factor income from abroad के ले रहे 50 ले then net indirect tax देखो ना करे ले रहे net indirect tax ये 35 में ले समान 35 so let us see अपने यंग do see we are substituting all these values को सी ले रहे वो मतुंग दा now let us see सी अपने ले रहे को सी ले रहे मतुंग दा सी plus तो बिरो 390 अन्य सी plus तो बगान 390 दा रहे सी 600 ले जा रहे अन्य सी minus तो बगान 20 ले जा रहे सी बम ले रहे then सी 100 minus 50 ले जा रहे सी plus 50 जमा सीधे कुछ बिरो ले रहे अदु सी 35 का 25 का जी minus नहीं सी plus तो उतारे minus plus तो देखो ने सी क्या तारे 60 तारे सीधे 60 में ले जा रहे then all positive नाम जी 50 100 120 का सी 600 सी का दी क्या तारे say 720 सी plus तो उतारे 1110 तारे 1110 देखिए 60 दिया minus तो उतारे we get 1050 1050 अदुना from the same given data mixed data ni from the same given data akoina if we are asked to find out the national income by the income method or by the expenditure method akoi national income agadi sab adu manane ba from the same given data aduni de uning se ko ngasi uning si mix data am lorega national income putho income method expenditure method ju putho hai ta gadi asa ahan bagi national income by income method ju rupees 1050 crore da bani ko aduga hojik su kana by expenditure method hola ju 1050 crore dum taiba answer chap manane ba from the same given data the honing ai le ga ko okay let us take up next by the value added method okay for value added method I'll just give you in another video okay stay tuned